Welcome back to Machine New and Smart, the channel that brings you the most breathtaking, raw moments from the world of heavy machinery and massive trucks. Today, we're diving into extremely dangerous situations, from trucks flipping over on mountain passes to terrifying collisions that leave machinery shattered. So what's behind these accidents? Foolish mistakes, lack of experience, or just a brief moment of lost focus? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the thrilling and real-life moments we bring you every day. It took only one careless mistake. As the driver struggled to conquer a steep incline, the truck suddenly rolled backward, lost its balance, and violently tipped over. In that heart-stopping moment, the man stood frozen. How could he ever face his boss after this? Overloaded beyond control. Dozens of vehicles lined up behind, but the truck wouldn't stop, recklessly climbing the slope with tons of cargo. Suddenly, it stalled mid-slope, unable to move forward, and was forced to reverse then. Disaster struck. That desperate reverse triggered a chain collision, leaving a trail of destruction behind. One fatal mistake, and the whole line paid the price. This rescue is failing. The cable is too weak. The operation is sloppy. Quick, set up a stronger chain rig. The truck is still valuable. One more mistake, and the damage could be much worse. While hoisting the truck, boom, a massive explosion echoed through the air. Many believe it was a technical failure. A sudden release of hydraulic pressure caused the blast. Escort Hydra 14, built for the toughest jobs. Compact in size but unmatched in strength, it lifts tons of steel, hauls heavy trucks, and keeps going without breaking a sweat. A technical error during crane movement, careless handling, caused the cable to snap, plunging the entire scene into chaos. Fortunately, no one in the vicinity was injured.
Mundur! Awas! Awas! Mundur! Awas!
Oh my God.
Be extremely cautious when lifting anything worth hundreds of millions. Never cut corners on gear. Use high-quality slings. One small mistake, and it's all gone. The truck was climbing the slope carelessly when it suddenly rolled backward, lost control, and flipped over on the pass. A terrifying moment that left everyone frozen in shock. A critical technical error. Before lifting anything, always calculate the load precisely. Even the smallest miscalculation can lead to massive, irreversible damage. Just a curve, But one slight misjudgment and the driver flipped the truck. One small mistake, a terrifying consequence. Oh no! A rock that seemed harmless, but upon impact, the result was devastating. Just one moment, and everything spiraled out of control. Oh, this is a scrapyard. But what stuns everyone is that these were once working vehicles, cars that people used daily. No one knows what happened to them, but here, over 1,000 cars get torn apart every single day. Two excavators are straining to rescue a bulldozer trapped near the edge of a deep pit. One small mistake, and the entire machine could plunge in second. The truck raced uphill, but just as it crested, it lost control and rolled back fast. Thankfully, another vehicle pulled it over the deep pit just in time. A narrow escape. A $500,000 cargo vessel was lost, all due to a careless crane lift and failure to calculate the load. The off-road vehicle overturned. A tracked excavator was quickly brought in for the rescue. An expensive truck brought down by a cheap hydraulic dump system. The result? A collapsed lift and serious damage to the vehicle. Oh my God! A dangerously close call during the hill climb. One small mistake could have been catastrophic. The Escort's Hydra 14 takes on the task of recovering the overturned truck, executing precise leverage with surgical accuracy. Small in size but incredibly powerful, lifting tens of tons with ease. When the power of Thai trucks roars, the thunderous sound of custom exhaust shakes the road. They don't just drive, they live the passion. Every rev is a statement of strength and pride. Oh, this slope. Every truck that dares to pass seems doomed to fall. The truck sped up, carrying tons of timber. Disaster struck right at the turn. Everything came crashing down. As the truck reversed, a man thought a single rock could hold it in place. A fatal miscalculation. The vehicle slid back, straight into the pit. The video ends here, If my script has any shortcomings or needs improvement, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments below. I always read and appreciate your feedback. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support the channel and help it grow stronger. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.